The Carousel of Dreams, a journey through friendship and imagination. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills and a tranquil river, there lived a lonely child named Liana. She had fiery red hair, curious blue eyes, and an adventurous spirit. Liana lived with her kind-hearted grandmother, who always told her captivating stories about the mystical world that existed just beyond the edge of their village. In the heart of the village, there stood an enchanting carousel, known as the Carousel of Dreams. It was an age-old attraction that had been passed down through generations. Intricate carvings adorned each of its beautifully crafted animals, and the carousel's melodic music never failed to capture the hearts of those who heard it. However, despite its allure, the carousel held a secret that only a select few knew about. One fateful evening, as twilight began to cast its purple haze across the sky, Liana found herself drawn to the carousel. As she approached, she noticed a peculiar shimmer around the animals, and suddenly, the carousel began to spin on its own, beckoning her closer. As she hesitated, a name flashed through her mind 6 times: Jasper. A voice inside her told her this was the name of the mysterious carousel master. Summoning her courage, Liana climbed onto the majestic lion and gripped its golden mane tightly. The moment she settled in her seat, the music swelled, and the carousel spun faster and faster. The animals came to life, their eyes sparkling with a knowing glint. With a flash of light, the carousel catapulted Liana into a realm beyond her wildest dreams. In this enchanted world, the air was filled with the scent of blooming flowers, and the sky was a vibrant tapestry of colors that danced and shifted with each passing moment. Liana could hardly contain her excitement as she explored the vast landscape, encountering magical creatures and uncovering hidden treasures. One day, Liana stumbled upon a group of talking animals, led by a wise old owl named Elder. They had been seeking a brave companion to help them on their quest to save their enchanted forest from the encroaching darkness. Liana, having never had the chance to make friends in her village, eagerly accepted the challenge. The journey was long and arduous, fraught with treacherous paths and fearsome adversaries. But, as they traveled together, Liana and her newfound friends discovered the strength of their bond. Their laughter and camaraderie became a beacon of light that drove the darkness away. The friends soon discovered that the source of the darkness was a powerful sorceress who had lost her way, consumed by her hunger for power. In an unexpected twist, Liana and her friends decided to confront the sorceress, not with force, but with empathy and understanding. As they approached the sorceress, she could not resist the warmth of their friendship. Her icy heart began to melt, and she realized the error of her ways. With tears in her eyes, she released the forest from her grip, and the land once again blossomed with life. Liana's time in the enchanted world had shown her the importance of friendship and imagination. It had given her the courage to dream and taught her that even the most powerful magic could not stand against the strength of love and unity. As Liana said her goodbyes to her friends and the beautiful world they had saved, Jasper, the carousel master, appeared before her. He congratulated Liana on her accomplishments and reminded her that the carousel's magic would always be with her. With a bittersweet smile, Liana climbed back onto the lion and felt the carousel's magic transport her home. As she re-entered her world, she found herself surrounded by curious villagers, eager to hear her tale. Liana shared her incredible story with the villagers, her voice filled with passion and excitement. Her tale of friendship and adventure captivated the hearts of all who listened, and soon the entire village was abuzz with curiosity about the magical Carousel of Dreams. As the days turned into weeks, Liana found herself at the center of a newfound community. The people of the village, who had once dismissed her as an odd child, now sought her out for her wisdom and imagination. Through her stories, she inspired them to dream big and foster connections with one another. One day, as Liana was tending to her grandmother's garden, she noticed a group of children playing nearby. Their laughter brought a smile to her face, and she could not help but recall the friendships she had forged in the Enchanted world. As Liana approached the children, she decided to share with them the magic of the carousel. Together, they ventured to the carousel, and with each spin, they discovered the wonders that lay beyond their ordinary lives. Just as Liana had experienced, the carousel took them to a world where they learned the power of friendship, imagination, and love. As the years passed, the legend of the Carousel of Dreams grew, with each generation passing down the tales of adventure and the lessons learned. The village transformed into a place of unity and creativity, with its inhabitants forging strong bonds that could withstand even the darkest storms. Liana, who had once been a lonely child with only her dreams to comfort her, became a beloved storyteller and friend to all in the village. Her life had come full circle, with the magic of the carousel bringing joy and inspiration not only to her but to the entire community. And so, the Carousel of Dreams continued to spin, touching the lives of all who dared to dream, and proving that the most powerful magic lies in the hearts of those who embrace friendship and the power of imagination.